So our bedroom is directly off of our kitchen, and the door used to open right into the kitchen, and we moved that. And I just wanted to take you through, I just recently moved the bed off of this shiplap wall, which I absolutely love. We did as an accent wall, and we're going to go ahead and wrap that around and keep going. But for now, we're loving the bed this way. I don't know why, it just made the room flow so much better. On this side is Rob's nightstand, and he actually cleaned it off this morning for me because I told him I was doing a video. But I took these vintage shutters that I had. On the back, they're a real pretty wood, but just to kind of blend in here, I did a white chalk paint on the front of them, and then we mounted our brass lamps. Those are just from Amazon. And we've got a very sunny south-facing window here that Shushu, our kitty, loves to sit in the afternoon. And I've kept the bedding very, very simple. Our bed is from IKEA. It's kind of a modern. Rob actually picked out the darker wood, which would not have been my thing, but it has worked. And I kept the bedding simple. This quilt, I've seen this online and a lot of pictures of bloggers and vloggers and stuff, and it's just so comfortable. It's just the right weight, and it's really, really comfortable. We need an extra one during the winter, but in the summer, this is all we use. And then I've got the cute little wicker, I don't know if those would be called poofs. Anyway, I've got 2 of them stacked there for Hazel, our dog, to be able to jump up on the bed, because she's usually up in there too with us. And then this is my side. And I, again, did the shutter with the light, the reading light. And I usually like to have a diffuser going. I don't know why, but end of summer, starting of spring here, my nose is just being stuffy in the early morning hours. So I like to have that diffuser going. And I don't know if you had seen in my thrift haul, this is that little canister. And I keep my little essential oils in there, whatever I'm using at the moment. And just very simple nightstands, which I'm thinking about doing a makeover on, but for now they work. I found that if we have bigger nightstands, we just store more junk. So it's kind of good to have very simple. Now, this is the area that has really, really changed. It used to be a sitting area, and I had the 2 chairs, and we had a TV and a dresser over there, and we just never really used it. It ended up being kind of a dumping ground, to be honest. And so now I've changed it into a bit of a desk. I actually have this console table. This was thrifted, and I'm using it as just sort of a writing desk. I don't have a lot of drawers or storage here, so it's not serious office, but it is a workspace or a place to sit and put on makeup or do my nails or whatever. And then the chairs are from IKEA. They're slip covered. And just a couple of fun throw pillows and a blanket just to make it comfortable. We just put up this shelf. I was going to do 2. And Rob had a good idea. I had 2 shelves here before. We just have a normal height ceiling in here. It's not vaulted or anything like that. And I ended up taking them down, and he made the point that maybe it was because there was 2 of them and it felt like too much. So when we just left it at 1, I have to admit it's really great. And I put some plants over here. I'm always trying to get some extra humidity. This one wants to take over the whole house. He might need to be, might need to be moved out of this corner eventually, but the other ones are all doing beautifully. And I love plants in the house. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that I love plants. And so I've got a couple of lights on them. I'm going to put a grow light in that one, but actually working my way down here, pictures of the grandbabies. And that's more of a low light plant, that mother-in-law's tongue. And then I just put some neutral accessories there, books and urns ones that I've had. It's all stuff that I had. I did thrift recently, that one little concrete urn looking thing. But everything else I've had. I can't see anything new. And then this oxalis has been so happy just under a regular light bulb. It's begun to bloom, shoot up more leaves. It's super happy. And you can see back there, I kind of can't get to it because my chair's in the way. Let me move the plant. You can see back here is the little sorter thing, and I left it in the wood so far. I kind of like how it looks just in the wood since I've got some, you know, the white painted desk already going on. But you can see all my little blooms. It's sending up some sort of little pinky purple ones and some white. It's so happy. So I just put that light bulb on it every day. And it seems to be really thriving. And then I've got another wingback chair, again, slip covered. And this throw pillow is an outdoor one that I had gotten from World Market, and it stayed outside all summer. And still in great shape. It kind of got a little bit of sun beaten, but I don't mind it at all. The other throw pillows I had bought at, I think, Home Goods. And then over on this other side of the room is the dresser. This is what we had in the little nook over there. And I had painted it this really cool green, which I thought I was going to love, but it was bothering me over there. I was about to paint it again, but we changed out some lower knobs. And once I put it over here, I don't know, just with that shiplap, just that touch of green, and then with the green plants on the other side of the room, it just seemed to come together. And it was really pretty. I kept the decor over here very simple. And I think I like this over here more because we can just tuck our TV back here. And you don't really see it until you walk into the room. This is one of my 50-cent lamps. I don't think I ever showed these in a thrift haul. One of my best finds ever. I got 2 of them for 50 cents each. They did have different lampshades on them, and I had thrifted this wicker one. I'm looking for another wicker one to thrift. I had thrifted that for $2 or $3. So mid-century lamp. I also have some white ginger jar ones, and I'm debating whether I would rather have those. But Rob loves a touch of mid-century, so they may stay. And in case you haven't seen the other side of my room, this is a door, a sliding door. And of course, some kind of animal needs me as soon as I'm filming. But this is a sliding barn door to our bathroom that Rob had made out of, pallet wood. He had made that out of pallet wood. He just sort of made a back frame and used the pallet wood to fill in, and I really, really love it. And then only thing left to show you is I've got 2 mirrors over here, and maybe you can help me decide. This white chippy one has been in here the whole time, but then I brought this taller one that I had in the living room, and I'm trying to decide which one I want in here. I'm leaning more towards the white chippy, and Rob is leaning more towards the gray because he likes the taller one because he's a taller person. So I'm going to show them to you up close, and we'll see which one makes the cut and ends up in here. I feel like the white one goes more with everything going on in here. But tell me what you think. I wanted you to see the changes in the bedroom. It feels so relaxed and comfortable in here now. I'm just so happy with it. And we just come in here and it feels like a little Airbnb or a hotel room or something with the little desk workspace, and it's just wonderful. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Let me know what you think in the comments, and more to come. Thanks for watching today.